Hey you guys, in today's video we will be making a super healthy, delicious, all natural peanut butter. This peanut butter has healthy fats and it may help you to lose weight. This peanut butter is very healthy and doesn't contain any sugar, salt, any oil or preservative. So let's start with the recipe. I have taken roasted peanuts in a kitchen towel and now we'll remove the skin by rubbing them together. Once the peanuts are ready, we will add them in a grinding jar. Now turn the mixer for 30 seconds. Peanuts have grinded coarsely and we will mix it with the help of a spoon and again grind it for another 30 to 40 seconds. If you like your peanut butter crunchy, you can stop here. I like mine very smooth, so I have grinded for another 30 seconds and our peanut butter is ready. Store it in a glass container and enjoy with toast. Add in your smoothies. You can have it with fruits like apple, banana, or with veggies like cucumber and carrot. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I will see you in my next video.